Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Do you find that it's very familiar? Well, thank you so much for coming back. Alright, so Happy New Year, Happy 2024 to all of you. I wish that everyone will have a great year ahead. Okay, yes, and let's take a look. Hi, Caro, Dobra, Jutro. I still practice that. Okay, yeah, and it's still in my mind. Okay, yes. Hi, MK. Nice to see you. Wasim, Happy New Year. Nice to see all of you back here. Thank you very much. All right, so we are back. Yeah, we are back. Wow, so happy. Yeah. What is that? Oh my god. Caro, I don't understand. I will copy it down. Okay, and I will learn it again. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for coming back here again. Yes. And let's see what do we have here with us. I guess it's interesting. Okay, I guess this is nice. And also let me see. All right, let me see. Okay. How was the last Christmas, and how's the celebration? Ni hao. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, let's come back here. All right, and not just looking at my poster. I think it's going to be looking at looks like the podcast here, huh? Okay. We have our MT4, right? MT4, yeah. And thank you so much for all of your support and your patience. Yes, I've been flying around, and finally I'm back here. Yeah. All right. Okay. Well, so let's how's everything for all of you? I hope everything is good. Okay. And yeah, let's share. Let me share my. Okay, let's share the link into the Discord channel in case the rest doesn't know that I'm back. Okay, yeah, all right. Okay, anyway, I'm having this live streaming not in the usual place. Okay. Yes, let me see. How come I don't have my. Okay. Yeah. All right. Anyway. Okay. Back here. Yes. All right. Azuki. Yeah, I see Azuki hop into our server. Well done. Thank you so much. Okay. Yeah. How's things, everyone? Okay. I hope things are doing good for everybody. Yeah. Hi. Sawadee krab, Suki. Nice to see you. Well, Thailand has a very good weather in December. Correct? Last month. I think now it's still good. Well, okay. We are back here. So, we are back here in the live streaming again. Alright, so coming along, the live streaming timing will be in the opening of the London market. Okay. So, hopefully to see all of you here again, and we can start planning together, and also, okay. Well, excuse myself for not having music right now, okay, because this is not my usual PC as well, so I don't have any music here. Okay. And let me fix up. Okay. Let me fix up the camera. Will come in a short while, and I will see you guys. All right. Okay. So same thing. Let's see. Why not? Let's take a look at our goal. Okay. Let's take a look at our goal. Okay. How's the trading on the gold side, Carol? Is it good? Yeah. I think I guess I have missed out quite a lot, because I had actually let go all of my gold during 1980 something. Sorry, 1998 I think. Yeah. 1997, I think. Yeah. Well, it went up really good to the highest here. Okay. We have one high here, 2146. 2146. I think that's so good. I guess Karo must be a millionaire now. Okay. Happy for you, Karo. Okay. And well, as by looking into the goal, okay, we see that for last year, since the short-term scalp to 2036. Wow, fantastic! Well done, well done. Very nice, beautiful. Okay, yeah. Potential sell zone from 2044 to 2046. Okay. Well, 2044, 46, huh? Okay. Okay, I guess that should be pretty good. Okay. 2044 to 2046. Okay. This area. Ah, okay. Looking good as well. Yeah. 2046. Yeah, we can see this way. Okay. Well done. Okay. I see that well, from this to area, huh? Okay, let's take a look. 44. Okay. Well, guys, can take a look at this. All right. If the price is going to come in here, we may be looking out for some selling here. That's nice. Okay. Good. Okay. Whew. So cold. Yeah. The weather is really cold now, huh? Okay, let's see. Well, guess what? Finally, okay, connected. Okay, well done. Okay, thank you so much. All right. Hi, Happy New Year, Sabrina. Thank you so much for coming in. Very good, very good. Yeah, we are finally back here again, and I think that's fantastic. And I think everybody's happy now. Okay. All right. Okay, and okay, so we are going to take a look. All right. How's everything, Sabrina? Hi, Bradley. Thank you so much for coming in. It has been ages, right? Okay, yeah, Sabrina. All right. Yeah. Indeed. Okay. Yes. Okay. Hi, guys. Yep. Can you see me? All right. I hope you can see me. Okay. Thank you so much. Happy New Year, everybody. Well, I wish everybody will have a great 2024. Okay. And this 2024 going to be a millionaire. Okay, going to be a millionaire. Ha! Alright. Okay, so once again, come back here. Now we are in the London session. Okay, we're in the London session. Yeah. Okay, so quickly, let's take a look. London session. What do we have here? London session. Okay, we are just talking about the goal. And of course, not forgetting, let's take a look at the Bitcoin. Alright, okay, Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, we have achieved now currently running at 46. I think 46 is still there's a lot of potential space to go, right? So by looking into this Bitcoin, okay, we have actually highest actually went up to a highest of 69. So we still have a good potential up there. Well, getting into crypto, I guess there's a lot of potential because I guess in Asia there's a big group. Okay, I think they are going into cryptocurrency, So especially like example China, Taiwan, they are now crazy over cryptocurrency, NFT. So well, with these all big injections, big funds, big injections of big funds, okay, coming in, and of course we also need to take a look at some regulations, okay, for the crypto. Am I right? Crypto. So with this, I guess there will still have some potential. Okay. Yes. Yes. I for crypto wise, it's just like a gold trading for me. Okay. I will go on the long term. Okay. I will still go on the long term. Yes. And what are the potential one? I will still be looking into some, like say 50, tentatively looking at about 55. Okay, 55. So there's still some good potential, some good space there to go on. Okay, right. Hi Alan, thank you so much. Okay, so I'm still looking at 30 from this to 55 here, right? About 55. Okay, yeah, I'm looking at about 55 over at this area here. So there's still good chance. Okay, still good space up there. There's still good space up there. All right. Okay, so that's for the crypto. But for crypto wise, okay, I will be looking for long term. Okay, long term. Okay, so next, well, today let's back to currency. Okay, back to currency. For pound dollar, yeah, for pound dollar, yeah, and we are looking into this area. Pound dollar, we have been selling off last year for a few months. Then after that, it started to move again. Correct, started to move from January onwards. It started to move up. Okay, well, from the December, good selling off until the beginning of January, we have been moving towards the north. Correct. So now this area, I'm looking into this area. Okay, but looks like they are moving into this area to have some of the resistance up here. Okay, yeah. Okay, so over at this point here, seems like some resistance is going to happen. And looking at this, where it is going, right? Where it is going. So over at this point here, I'm actually looking out for this area 126.56.3, which is a very I would say that for myself, it's a very bold estimation that it may comes to this area, but okay, along the way we have some support area that we are going to look out for. Okay, we're going to look out for. So let's take this away first. Okay, and this away first. Okay, yeah, all right. So with this, we are looking into this area of resistance and this area of support. Okay, yeah, that's one. Okay, then coming back again, if we are looking into selling. First of all, let's take a look. Okay, let's take a look at the general trend. Okay, the general trend, by looking into this area, we can see very clearly that we are actually moving towards the north. Correct, we are moving towards the north. However, it has come to a point where it has formed up some selling, a pullback over here from the whole trend. I would say that this is only a pullback. Then it hits onto the support area here, right? This area here. Okay, so but if I'm looking at this area, I'm putting into this, it will be the support area I'm looking out for. Okay, over at this point. Okay, this whole area. Then for resistance wise, I would say that tentatively still looking into this area. Although there are some liquidity up there, there are still some liquidity up there. All right. Then again, let's move into a smaller picture. Okay, let's move into a smaller picture. Okay, so let's see. Smaller picture, I'm going to move down. Okay. Well, for this case wise, I think over here we have some, okay, that support, okay, for this wave here. Okay, highly likely there may be a chance. Okay, then over at this point here we have a resistance here. Okay, right. Okay, hi Kaltip, happy new year. Okay, yep, and thank you for coming back and always stay on with us. All right, so over at this point, yes. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Khatib. Thank you very much. All right, so now over at this point here, okay, yeah, at this point here, we are actually looking into some selling. There are good space. There are good space for some selling today. As we can see, okay, this is how I read. Okay, this is how I read. Okay, so Wasim, are you still there, Wasim? Okay, so I'm not sure. I'm not sure why, because I cannot reply to the Discord channel, the Discord messages. It shows some error messages. Okay, so just well, I will reply. Okay, I will reply over in the live session. Okay, first of all, let me see over here. When it started to sell off in this over at this period of time here, okay, at the end of the year, it started to sell off, and beginning of the year start to move back to recover this, to reclaim this area, and it stopped at the resistance. First test, first try, it touches, correct? It touches. Then after that, it got rejected down. So this is one sign, one signal to show the resistance. Okay, that's pretty okay, pretty fine that it shows the resistance here. So when then it went back again yesterday, it went back again, okay, it touches this again and it got rejected. And this is a third rejection. So 1, 2, 3, correct? So this is the third rejection over here. Well, when it touches this resistance, which I see it as a key level. Okay, this is as a key level, I would say. Okay, this is a key level. So this key level over here started to form something we call a double top here. Can you see a double top here? Okay. All right. So for example, this will be the resistance level. So I'm going to sell off from the resistance level. Okay. And where will be my stop? Okay, like Wasim was asking. Okay, Wasim. Okay. So over at this point here, let's say if I'm going to enter from the resistance, if the price is going to break above the resistance, so that means this resistance failed, correct? It failed. So if the resistance failed and it set up another round of support to go for another buy, that will be my stop level. Okay, that will be my stop area. So my stop area is always above the resistance level. Okay, so of course you can use some other ways to have your stop. Example, some indicators like say you can use it as ATR, you know, some indicator ATR. Yeah, you can use ATR as a stop as well. Okay, but for personally myself, okay, since I have a theory whereby how I enter a trade will determine where will be my stop. Okay. So usually if I enter the selling from the resistance, once it breaks above my resistance where I determine the resistance to sell off, and when it set up a support on above my resistance, that will be my stop. Okay, that will be my stop. All right. Okay, so for this case, like pound dollar, generally by looking into H4, we are actually in the bull. So if we are selling off in this case, it's actually trying to reverse the bull into the bear. Okay, it's trying to reverse the bull into the bear. So this is the area. Okay, this is the area. Yesterday I was looking at this. I was looking at this area that, you know, if from yesterday is sold off, and I was thinking that, okay, let's say if this is going to break this level, okay, and it should be continuing to sell off to break this level to go into the bear. Okay, so that is one. All right, so that will be one point that I will see that the selling will be coming back into the bear for a smooth selling process. Okay, all right. Okay, hi Derek. Okay, risk rider. EJ. All right, euro yen. Let's take a look at euro yen. Okay, euro yen. Okay, euro yen. First of all, let's look at the trend first. Okay, wow. This trend has still here. Okay, right. So we are trying to sell off to build up the bear as well, since we are already in the bull. Then we are still hovering around the whole area here. Huh? So it looks like no changes. Let me see over here. Okay, so resistance wise, still over at this area. Right now, for euro yen, if you are having a short-term selling, I would say, okay, you have this area here. From here to this area, 32 pips here. 157.29.1. 157.29.1. Okay, so yeah, looks like good. Euro yen. Okay, euro yen. Okay, and euro yen. Well, then let's see. If euro yen, if I'm going to continue the selling, I have this space here from 157.600 down to 157.29.1 is a good chance there. However, along the way, there may be some turbulence, which you have about 10 pips you got the turbulence. So in a way, okay, by looking into this euro yen, okay, it will be good that it breaks below, all right, it breaks below 157.600, then retest to sell off. Okay, all right, so I will be looking into 157.600. Then after that, if there's another round of resistance to come, and this will be the good area. Okay, this will be the good area. Okay, all right. Happy New Year, German. Nice to see you. I miss you too. Well, how's your housework? Okay. I hope everything goes smoothly for you. Okay. Yeah. And well. Okay, let's see. Okay, so that's for the euro yen, because tentatively we have a very small support over here. Okay, so this area you have to take note. Okay, because I guess they have more or less the low is here, which has not been taken out yet. Okay, the high is there, almost there. Right, so we are staying in the middle, correct? Okay, yeah, we're staying in the middle. So this area here in the middle of nowhere, so take note first. Okay, you can pay attention to this area first before we take action. Yeah, okay. Yes, Sabrina. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, let's back to pound dollar and take a look. Right, so pound dollar over here. Okay, so we'll talk about this. We were talking about this, right? All right, so for pound dollar, well, this is the impact from the last NFP. Okay, so we have an NFP ran off. Then after that, yeah, it has not been recovered yet, so there will be a very good chance of recovering. Okay, so it needs more resistance, which tested once here. Okay, then let's see. Okay, then over at this point here, this has been tested once, twice. Okay, so still forming. At this point here, we can see there's some resistance over into this level. Okay, basing on H1. Just now we were talking about the H1. Okay, to be exact, let's have try to adjust it to the exact point. Okay, so let's see if this over in general view of this pound dollar in M5, I'll be looking into some retesting to make sure the resistance is there. Okay, to make sure that all these green candle are just a retracement, so that after that it will continue to push further down. Okay, all right. Okay, so at the moment, by looking into this level, okay, another one, make it more precise. You can see that this level. Let me take a look. Is it correct? Looks like it's not. Okay, let me see. Okay, and yep, all right. Okay, so by looking into pound dollar, we should be looking into 126.96.7, 126.96.7. Okay, so should be around there. Okay, yeah. So over here, this is the point. All right. Okay, so but whether the pound dollar actually comes into this area here, okay, it largely depends on whether if the resistance able to hold it down. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Just now you were saying that blah, blah, blah. Okay, so actually what we are looking at is that, okay, tentatively in general, okay, we are looking into the pound dollar is actually currently, okay, it looks like it's in the bull, am I right, of this wave. This area here, okay, this area here, we can see for this area here, I think it's quite obvious that we are looking into this area, that it should be quite a good indication that prices are ready to be here, okay, around this area to capture all this liquidity over at this point here. Then over at this area here, okay, so likely, yeah, but then again is that we are all depending on how the resistance able to hold first. Okay, so we need to observe the resistance. Okay, we still need more concrete evidence to give us, okay, the selling. Okay, all right. So for pound dollar like now, okay, pound dollar short term, okay, looks like this pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar, we have a resistance over here. Can you see the resistance which we plotted? Okay, this area here. Right, so right now looks like the resistance is actually coming in, okay, this area here. And over at this point here, it looks like this whole area, this whole stretch here looks very smooth. Okay, we have about 12 pips of space down there. All right, and let's see if this is okay. If this is able to allow a selling there. All right. Okay. For pound dollar, okay, pound dollar, we need okay, we need more evidence for selling. Right. Of course, now is it a good time for the selling right now? Okay, by looking at this area here, we are having a lower highs into this level, another one here. Okay, so looks good. Okay, looks good for selling. Okay, it looks good for selling, but this whole area here, it looks like this is only appears true. And let's see how this candle close first. Okay, let's see how this candle close first. Okay, yeah, because tentatively it's not really that concrete enough. Okay, not concrete enough. Right. Let's see. Not so obvious yet. Yeah, not so obvious yet. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay, okay, yes, yes. This area. Okay, we can see this area here. This is only the first hour. Okay, and the next hour is going to be the H4 hour. Okay, so let's see. Yep. No, hang on first. Okay, yep. Right. And currently, if we are taking into this pound dollar into selling, I would say we have to wait for a while. We have to wait for a little while. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, we still have to wait for a little while. Okay. Yeah. So still there, still there. Hi, Jun. Jun. 新年快乐. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Okay, so yep. Hang on. Not there yet. Okay, Euro yen, am I right? Just now we're looking at Euro yen. Okay, Euro yen, we are still facing a small support over here. So let's hang on. Okay. Yep. And okay. Right. Then we need to wait for a little while. Yep. Thank you, Jun. Thank you very much. If you have a YouTube account, do log in into the YouTube account, okay, so that we can see you directly, okay. Euro yen, okay, is selling off now, okay, which is good. I want it to sell off and go into this area because this is the area that I'm focusing, whereby I'm going to wait for the euro yen. When it comes into this area, then it will start to reverse up to form another resistance to sell off. Okay, and this area will be very good area to sell off. This area, although now is selling off, but I wouldn't want to take the risk is because what is appearing in front of me is the support. Okay, so I wouldn't want to sell near the support. Okay, I always want to sell off below the resistance. So making sure that it will create a new resistance before I sell off within this area. Okay, all right, yeah. Yes. Yep. Okay, and let's see. Okay, pound dollar. Yep. Franc yen. Oh, franc yen. Okay, let me see. I don't have franc yen with me. Okay, I need to open up the chart for franc yen. Okay, franc yen. Let me see. Franc yen. I don't even. Do I have? Yeah, franc yen. Okay. Okay, franc yen. Right, franc yen over here. Okay, franc yen. Wow. Are you looking for selling or you're looking for buying? MK? Tentatively, I'll be looking out for some selling. Okay, I'll be looking out for some selling. However, we are on the support now. Okay, tentatively, we are on the support. So, okay, I will prefer. Okay, sorry. We're on the support right now. So, I will prefer. Okay, yep, you're looking for selling. Okay, if you are going for selling, I will see to this area. You have about 51 pips. Where this area here, okay, this area here, what you can do is that, okay, for this area, you can wait for it to break. Okay, you can wait for it to break this area first. Then, okay, from this area, then when there's a new resistance to come along, then we will go for the selling. Okay, yeah, franc yen, I think but you have to take note about this franc yen because this franc yen we have hang on, what's happening? My MT4 is stuck. Hang on, let me see what's going on. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let me. Well, guys, give me a little while. Okay, the Frank Yen. Welcome to Frank Yen, stuck there. Okay, so generally, anyway, okay, the Frank Yen, as for the Frank Yen, okay, there's still chance of selling. Okay, there's still chance of selling. So look out. You can look out for selling. However, you have to make sure that it is into this level. Okay, it has to be into the level in between this level. Okay, where I drew the two lines in between. Okay. What's wrong, man? Okay. Okay. Sorry, guys. Give me a minute. Give me a moment. Mm, yes. Thank you, MK. Okay. I've been here more than a year. Wow. Thank you so much. Wow. Thank you so much. If we have a batch like Facebook, I'm going to issue you one hardcore die hard fans die hard fans batch. Yeah, I think you, Caro, Wasim, yeah. Okay. Hey, come on, what's wrong? Hang on, hang on, hang on. Let me see. See what's going on. I cannot click. Hey, hang on. Sorry, guys. Well, okay. Let me check. Go TP 8 pips. Wow, wonderful. Congratulations. Well done, well done. Okay. It's sold off from. Okay. Finally. Okay, let's see what's going on. Okay, let me check. The 1 hour candle did not have wick on the bottom. I waited to rise and open sell. Okay. Yep. Yes, Jamet. I just got here. I'm thinking of CJ will start selling. CJ will CJ start selling? Actually, I'm actually waiting for CJ to get into that area. Just now, the area I'm talking about. Okay. That is one. Okay. Let me check. Right. Let me see. I will quickly get this back. Okay. Hang on with me. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay. Okay, that should be okay now. Yeah, remember to smash the like button. Yes, that's right. Thank you, Alan. Nice. Okay. Okay, guys, I think I'm waiting for it to load up. Meanwhile, want to go Keybell? Anybody? Let's go to Keybell. Okay, let's see. Okay, let me go to Keybell and be right back. Okay. Now very short. Okay, just a few steps away. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, give me a little while. I'm waiting for it to load up. I'll be right back. Okay. Yeah, pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Look out for pound dollar as well. Sabrina was saying. Okay. Yep. Right, hello guys, I'm back. Thank you so much. Okay, let's see. Is it coming? Ah, okay. Done. Yes, it's done. Okay, so just now we are talking about the franc yen, right? Okay, so over at this point here. Okay, so this should be the area. Okay, this should be the area we are talking about. Okay. Yeah, franc yen over here. Right, Jamba was saying Kiwi 4 hour, it looks like a nice flag is forming. I'm not sure is that the right pronunciation. Nice flag. Yep. Okay, let's take a look. Kiwi. Okay. Okay. Yep. Kiwi franc. Okay. Let me see. Where's my Kiwi franc? Kiwi franc. Oops. I don't have my Kiwi franc with me here. Kiwi franc. Okay. Okay, Kiwi franc. Okay, so for franc yen, okay, so for franc yen just now, German, okay, start selling. Hang on first because over here we can see support over at this area here. All right, so let's wait for it to get into the area. Okay, let me show this area. Okay, get below this area to form a resistance in this area. Then there will be a good space for selling down. Okay, okay, this whole area here. All right, I'm actually looking into this area. Okay, all right. Okay, so that's for the franc yen. So do not sell now. Do not sell for franc yen now because it's still testing onto the support, the whole area of support. They are taking out the lows right now. Okay, so hang on first. Hang on first. Okay, just hang on first. All right. Okay, and let's see. Okay, and let's see where it's going now. Okay, and we will take a look. Okay, this is for the franc yen, okay. Yeah. Kiwi franc. Okay, let's take a look at Kiwi franc. Right, Kiwi franc. Right, Kiwi franc. Let's see. Well, Kiwi franc looks like we are Kiwi franc and also over at this area here. Like this area. Kiwi franc H4. Let's see. We have a lower high, lower high, lower high. But the thing is that the lower high, it has not created any lower low over at this point here. When all these lower highs over here is actually to test onto the support. So right now it's actually testing onto the support already. It's already testing on the support. So if you are looking to continue to sell off, okay, there may be some risk. Okay, there may be some risk. So, but there may be some short-term selling where we comes to this level here. Okay, this level. Okay, let me put this as a resistance. So the red color dotted line will be here. All right. Okay, this area here. So if this is going to come in, and then we will it will depends whether it will this area maybe you have about, I think selling may not be so promising. Selling may not be that promising. Okay, may not be that promising. I was thinking buying. Tentatively buying also has not shown up any good buying signal yet. Okay, it has not come into any selling buying signal yet. Okay, if you are going for a buy, you are also experiencing this resistance, which is about 15 pips, which is also comparing with this 15 pips of profits, measuring the risk, I think we can give Kiwi franc a miss. Okay, all right. I will weigh it this way because by trying to take the 15 pips, first of all, there may be a chance. Okay, however, it is still not the right time yet. Okay, sorry, not right now. Okay, yeah, I think that's good. But for Kiwi franc, looking into H4, okay, if we are going to break below the support, okay, if we are going to break below the support over at this area here, then I will see there's a good chance to sell off. If we are going to break the support to form another resistance down there, then I think there will be a good chance, okay, over here, which is 0.52791. 52791. Okay, all right, 52791. Below that, then I think there will be a good chance that it should be still selling off to This has not. Okay. 1, 2. Wow, quite low. Well, this is actually quite low down there. All right. Then probably you should be looking into this level. Okay, we have a space of 50 pips down here. Below 52.79.1, then I think it will be a good chance for selling. Okay, gentlemen. All right. Okay, congratulations, Derek. EJTP 30 pips. Okay, let's take a look. 30. Okay, let's take a look. From here, start selling. Okay. 30 pips, huh? Okay, from here. Okay. All right. Okay, for me, I won't consider the selling because over here we are, as we can see that there are already a support down here. So like I say, I want to wait for it to come into this area. Then when it retest into somewhere here to form a resistance, then we will go for the selling. Okay. All right. Then we will go for the selling. So what you are capturing right now, okay, is that the forming of breaking into the area. Okay, so that is quite okay. All right, yeah, you're actually entering here, huh? Okay, so well, not so bad. Okay, this one, when you TP, you must know why you enter. So you're entering when the forming. Okay, when the forming. Okay, so the next thing is that over here, if it comes in here, okay, when it started to reverse back to form another round of lower highs here, then to sell off within this area, it will be good because not much of a support within this area. Okay, not much of a support within this area. So I will wait for this opportunity. So you have another round. Okay, that means you have another round. Okay, so if that happens, you have another round to go. Okay, right? Yeah, and for pound dollar, for the gold just now, for the gold, where's the gold? Okay, so for the gold, just now we are talking about this area. Just now, Caro was saying, okay, just now earlier on, Caro was saying, right? Okay, H1 candle 99, probably the H1 candle no wick will create wick sooner or later. Okay, yeah, so just now earlier on, okay, I see. Okay, so you're talking about this area, right? You're talking about this, huh? When there's no wick, okay. So it's sold off. You are selling off here. Estimate. Okay, should be around here. So if I'm not wrong, Caro sold off to get the 8 pips is to create the wicks for the H1 candle. Am I right, Caro? Okay. Okay, so I think well, that's a good one. Okay, that's a good reading there, because I guess if there's no wick and it started to go up again just now earlier on, so it should be creating the wicks so that from here, okay, from here, so this is the opening. So as it started to sell off, it should be coming down to create this wick. This is the area to create the wick in H1. Okay, then it should, you are entering because you are looking into a consideration that it will create the wicks. The wicks may create down until here, okay, but it's actually stopped here. But okay, if you're looking into that, it will create the wicks. Okay, then that's where the creation. Am I right to say that? Okay, yeah. So after creating the wicks, now it bounced back. Now we can see there's a wick down here, and we can see that it should be still. Let's see if this is going to close higher, or it's still going to close lower. Okay, it's going to close lower now. If this is going to stay this way, I guess there may be some hovering around this area. Okay, around from here to here. Okay, so it will be around this price. Okay, it will be within this price here. Okay, unless it breaks either way, then looks like it may have a move. Okay, either up or down. Okay, so it depends on whether which area that it will break. Okay, all right. Yeah, then well, that's one. That's for the gold wise. Okay, for pound dollar, let's see. Well, pound dollar sold off again from here to here. We have about 10 pips, 11 pips there. Okay, so looks like who is this guy? Jamet, right? Jamet. Okay, so let's take a look at this. This is a very classic example of what you have just said. A nice flag is forming. So if you are looking into this, yeah, we will be looking that, yeah, this is what the classic example here for German. Okay, so we have now creating a lower highs, now lower low, creating lower highs, lower low. So looks like, okay, if this is going to create another lower resistance. Right now we are below the resistance into this area. Okay, within this area. So we are going, which means that I will say that very high chance, okay, very high chance that the pound dollar is going to form up another resistance to continue the selling. Okay, all right, yes, okay, okay, so that's one. Okay, Sabrina, yes, I captured a 5 pips, my first trading of the 2024. Okay, congratulations, well done, well done. Okay, well done. Okay, so yep, and good. Okay, so let's wait for another chance. Okay, yep. We can see again. Yeah, let's wait for another chance for the pound dollar, because right now this is the process of pulling back to form lower highs. Okay, this is a process of creating a lower highs. So if this is going to stop here, we can take a look on the left side over at this whole area. Okay, it looks like this whole area is going to really actually give us a good chance with a lesser support, a smooth, a better journey to sell off. Okay, it will be a better journey to sell off. All right. Okay, so yep, that is that's one for the pound dollar that we can pay attention to. Let's see. Okay, yep. And now looking into this whole area here, it looks like quite a smooth journey down there. Okay, pretty smooth. Okay, let me see. Okay, we have this area here to take note. 127,197. 127,197. Okay, 127,197. That is that's one level. 127,197. That's one level to take note. Okay, and selling is still ongoing, which is good. Right. I see. Wow, good chance. Selling 38 pips down to the PTP of 57 pips. Okay. Right. Okay, so waiting for resistance. Okay. Yeah, pound dollar waiting for resistance to form. Right, waiting for the resistance to form up. Okay, waiting for the resistance to form up. Okay. Yeah, and now, yeah, of course, not forgetting the highs has not been taken out yet. Okay, the highs has not been taken out yet, so we still need to pay more attention to that. Okay, yeah. Okay. Right. Wait for a while first. Okay. Now, okay, go TP 14 pips for the buying. Well done. Okay, well done, very good. Well done. 2036 it is. Yep. Okay, very good. Okay, fantastic. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so after it bounced back from here, it's going to create. It has created the wicks there, and then we are now waiting to see if this is going to achieve this level. Okay, well, 2030 is it over here. Okay, yes. Well, it still continue. Still pushing. Let me see. Looks like it's still trying to take this out, huh? Okay. Yes, Sabrina. Congratulations, Caro. Very nice opening for the year. Okay. Yep, and well, let's see. Okay. Week fill 2040. Okay, let's see. 2040. Do I have the 2040 here? I don't have. Mine is 2038. 2040. Okay. Yep. Alright. Hi, Merry Christmas. Happy New Year to you. Yeah. Just now I was saying Merry Christmas. Are you in my Discord? You know, I tried to reply messages, but I couldn't send the messages out. I don't know what's the issue. Okay. Yeah, so I don't know what's happening. If you guys can send me the message again and let's try, because it says something like you're not in the same server or what, your contact list or whatever. I do not know what. Okay. Started the fire, so I joined the show. Oh, I see. Sabrina started the fire, so I just joined the show. Okay. Yeah. Right. Last month I was with Sabrina. Yeah. So yes, right. Am I right, Sabrina? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And we are waiting for pound dollar. We're waiting for pound dollar to achieve the resistance. Okay, so that we can do this. Haha, I can't find it too. Oh, really? My goodness. Okay. What's the happening? I also don't know. I see that a lot of Discord the PMs, but I couldn't reply. I can see the message, but I cannot reply. Once I reply, I saw the messages. I think I sent it in the Discord server. Yeah. What is the error message? Yeah, your message could not be delivered. This is usually because you don't share a server with a recipient, or the recipient is only accepting direct messages from friends. Yeah, or blah 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 blah. Yeah. I don't know what's happening. Okay. All right. Hi, Brian. Brian from where? Where are you from, Brian? I think Brian. Which Brian are you? I know a lot of Brian. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes. At that point of time when I was in Japan, yeah, when I was in Japan, that's where my messages started. Pop! I cannot reply. I'm not sure what's happened. I can reply halfway through and suddenly I cannot reply. Yeah. Okay, so anyway, we are all waiting. Okay, we are waiting for pound dollar to form up the resistance. Okay, so let's see the resistance for still waiting. Any contribution, any views on the pound dollar? I'm looking at pound dollar to sell off. Okay, I'm waiting for pound dollar to sell off first. 127,197 is a point that we need to take note. Then after that, I want to see that it will still continue to sell off to 126.96.7. Okay, so that is one. Okay, that's one over here. All right. So we are heading down into H4 opening. Okay, so H4 opening is another crucial time frame that we want to see. Okay, we want to take note. So likely to wait for the H4 opening. Yeah, we have about an hour. Okay, I mean 20 minutes to H4 opening. Okay, yep, and yep, tomorrow I will be coming in when the London markets open. Okay, yep. Lately I'm going to get very busy as well. Once again, huh? Yeah, I haven't get even a good rest yet. And coming along, while waiting, okay, while waiting for the pound dollar to form up the resistance from this into this level before I go for the selling. Okay. Let's talk about things. This month I will be with you guys. I think shouldn't be any problem. Okay. Then next month will be our Chinese, the lunar calendar Chinese New Year. So during this period of time, okay, I will be having my leave. Really annual leave. I'll be clearing my annual leave. Okay, I gave myself an annual leave. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So I'll be flying back. Okay, and really sleep for 15 days. Sleep for 15 days. Okay. No, not really sleeping. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So yep. Yes. Yes. Merry Christmas. So where will you be? Okay, Jam, I don't know what it is. I could be wrong, but I have a strong feeling CJ is going to sell. Yes. Frank Yen, we are looking for selling. Frank Yen, we are looking for selling. Okay, this is a Kiwi franc, which just now we are talking about. Okay, it should, if you are buying, it should only have 15 pips, which I don't see. You know what? The risk is a bit too high for me to take for the Kiwi franc. Okay. Yeah, so yep, Kiwi franc is not one of my call, but for franc yen, yes, franc yen, yep, we are looking. Yes, you can go for selling as long as fall in between the same area that we are talking about just now. Okay, let me open up the franc yen. Franc yen, oh, cat yen, not franc yen. Okay, cat yen, huh? Okay, let's take a look. Cat yen, let me open up and see. Yes, early Happy New Year. Okay, thank you so much. All right, and that will be on the 9th, I think 9 or 10 of February. But anyway, on the 9th, we call that the New Year Eve. So Chinese will always have a lunar dinner. So on the 9th onwards, usually about 7, 8, 9, we will already be disappearing. Okay. Yep. So for cat yen wise, I think let's take a look. Cat yen, this point here, coming down here. Cat yen, if you are looking for short-term selling, I will say yes, it's possible. Yes, it is possible. But if you are looking for long-term, it's not advisable because this is the pullback is there, and I still see this area of support. This area here. Okay. So from here to here, you may have about 58 pips, 58 pips. Okay, I think I think it's good to wait for H4 opening. Okay, H4 opening. All right, let's wait for the H4 to open before. Okay, we can see right now. I will prefer to sell within this area between 107.64. 107.64. Okay. 107.64. Okay, but it must be a short term. It must be a short term selling. Okay, right. Okay, and 4 hours. Are you You are waiting for 4 hours to see top or bottom week form? Okay, for pound dollar, am I right? For pound dollar, okay, because over at this point here, I want to see how this close. Okay, if this is going to close as a selling signal there, then I see that there will be a good chance. Okay, I think there will be a good chance for the selling to continue downwards to complete 126.96.7. Okay, all right, yeah. Okay, congratulations. Wow, Alan, 50 pips. Congratulations, well done. Okay, well done. 50 pips here. Wow. What a good drop. Okay, so I think you sold off. Okay. Well done. Okay. Nice. Let's see. Good. Okay. This is 50 pips down. Wow. So you've been selling, and this is very early, huh? Okay. Yeah. About an hour ago, huh? 1.5 hours ago. Wow. Good catch. Very good. 很好. Okay. Yep. Okay. So where will be the next one for the pound dollar? Okay, I'm waiting for pound dollar to swing at this. But pound dollar, we tentatively looking into 38 pips. Okay, about 38 pips. Okay, sell from 183.61. 183.61 over here, correct? So it should be around here. Okay, so here to here. Okay, nice. Good catch. Yeah. But what is the rationale? What is the entry? What is the entry rationale? That is more important. Okay. Would you like to share with us? Okay, let me see. 183.61. Okay, around here. Okay, let's see, huh? Okay, so the 183.11. Oh, okay, no problem. Okay. 183.64. Oh, okay, around there. Alright. So please drive safe. Okay, I don't want to be the cause if anything happens. Okay, alright. Okay, so I see double top. Okay, in 5 minutes to sell down. I see. Okay, good. Alright, well done. Double top over here. Okay. Alright, that's one of the theory. 15 minutes is selling off. Okay. Right. In 15 minutes to sell down. I see double top in 5 minutes to sell down. You mean for Merry Christmas? Are you talking about the GJ? Okay. If you are talking about that, yeah, I think it's good. Yes. This area is good. Then if it stands for M5, okay. Then if I'm in 15 minutes to go for the selling off, correct? Okay, yeah, I think that's also pretty good. M5, not M15 or M5. Okay, yeah, M5, huh? Yeah. If M5 they are creating a double top here, you are going for a selling off. I think this area is also pretty good. If I mean you must know your rationale of entry. Okay, so I'm just here to actually to firm up. Okay. Well, but my FOMO kicks in, so selling early. Okay. Well, anyway, okay, you see, Alan and Merry Christmas. Your theory is almost the same. Okay, so remember that theory to enter for the trade, because by understanding that theory, okay, this theory will actually works in a way that is the market fundamental. Okay, so it's almost the same. It's just that the two different theories, you can see two different explanations, but it comes in the synchronized way, which is there's no conflict of interest. You know, there's a lot of things like some like RSI, Bollinger Bands, all the indicators, all these kind of things. It comes from theory from different people, correct? So there may be people looking at the same situation but may have the different theory that may have a conflict of interest there. So it's the two theory that comes together, which is into a synchronizing way. I will say that, yeah, it's able to read the market, then I think that's fine. Okay, yeah, go in 30 minutes. All right, let's take a look. And the goal in 30 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes liquidity sits. Okay, 30, 15 at 2030 to 2040. Okay, 2030 to 2040. Sorry, 2038 to 20. Where? Oh, I see. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yep. Around there. Okay. So running at the time of 1930. Am I right? About 1930. Am I right, Carol? About 1930. 1930. Am I right? 1930. So good chance there, huh? Okay, let's wait for Carol. Let's see. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, looks like the pound dollar is forming now. Can you see a resistance there? Okay, nice. Thank you, Carol. Okay, so guys, we can take a look over here. All right, this level 2038 to 2040, around this area here. Okay, yeah, this area here. Okay, and I think maybe for my side here a little bit, it differs a little bit, 2039 to 2040. Okay, yeah, all right. Okay, so over at this area here. Okay, yeah, but almost the same. Okay, I think because of different liquidity provider. Yeah, so just wait for this area. Well, let's see. Okay, and pound dollar. Okay, yeah, pound dollar. Oh, pound dollars, pound dollar. Looks like pound dollar going to start selling soon. Pound dollar. Okay, looks like pound dollar is going to selling is selling soon. Pound dollar. Okay, so first obstacle 127.197. 127.197. Okay, that's the first obstacle. H4 is going to open soon. If this H4 is going to close this way, I'll be very happy. Okay, I'll be very happy. Yeah, I will see that there will be a good chance. Then if this is going to break 127.197, which is the from this wave, this is one of the obstacle. After this obstacle, it should be continue to sell off. now to take this area of 126,967 conservatively. Okay, conservatively 126,967. Okay, it may even go into a level of 126,714. Okay, 126,714. Right, so first of all, let's take a look at this first. Yes, Jamet, at the beginning of the year, I made a lot of money on the good oil. And it's moving now. Very good, Jamet. Congratulations. Hi, JJ. Happy New Year. Yeah, I miss you too. Yeah, okay. So, yes, and see, all right. That's, wow, the oil. I don't really go into oil, all right. I don't really go into oil, yeah. But looks like it's a good move for German. Okay, that's very good. Okay, remember to keep the profit well, huh? Okay. Okay. So for the pound dollar, we are waiting. Okay, we are waiting. Okay, we have about 6 minutes to H4 opening. So let's pay attention to how's the H4 going to open, and maybe then we will have a better idea how it's going to be like. Okay. Then okay, it's like let's see this whole area here looks like we are coming with this. Okay, 5 minutes to go. Yeah, 5 minutes to go. Okay, it has closed slightly below the previous M5. Okay, it has closed slightly below. Okay, and we still have a bit to go. Okay, yeah, 127, 127, 289. Let's see whether it actually comes to this price to test into the support, to go for a lower low, not support. Okay, to create a lower low to reach 127, 197. Yeah, like I say, this area, this area, this is one obstacle. This is one obstacle. So take note. If you have already entered a trade for the pound dollar, okay, look out for this area. If this area able to break below, then you can continue to hold it. Okay, let's say. Okay, let's say, All right. Okay. Today should be quite peaceful in trading. There isn't any very hardcore high impact news. Just waiting for resistance to form and to come. Okay, yeah. So only tomorrow, right? Tomorrow we only have a pound. Yeah. Other than that, okay. And on Thursday we have a CPI again. CPI. Okay, the dollar is going to announce the CPI. Okay, so I think quite okay. Right. Okay. Yes. Okay, so over here for the pound dollar, let's wait 3 minutes to go. Yeah, another 3 minutes to go. So let's wait and see how this H4 is going to close. Okay. Right. Of course, I want it to close lower now. I hope that it will close lower. Okay. I hope that it will close slightly lower. Okay, so that can see that there are more chance and more opportunity to more clearer. Okay, I think clearer signal for the selling as well. in the next H4 session. Okay, yeah, during this period of time, from now to we have the daylight savings, right? Okay, so trading on the London session from the opening to the closing is quite a good session to trade. Okay, I always when come to this winter, okay, and the last 3 months of the daylight savings, right? Okay, then I will be very interested to trade the whole of pound session. Okay, the London session, I mean. Okay, yeah. Okay, it should be quite profitable when the London session, the last H4 opening of the London session, it should be very clear direction. Buy is buy, sell is sell. Okay, so this H4 session, this H4 is going to open, am I right? Okay, so this H4 session open, and we have another 4 hours to go, correct? We have another 4 hours to go, and that is the next H4. In Asia time, Asia GMT plus 8, it should be on the 2200 hours. 2200 hours. Okay, that will be the last 3 hours for the London session. Then I guess the last 3 hours, it should be quite a clear direction to trade. Okay, all right. So this H4 session opens, and the next one, okay, then the last 3 hours of the London session, it will be very good to trade. Okay, there will be a lot of opportunity during these 2 months until March. Okay, until end of March, before the time zone change again. Okay, yeah, all right. So I guess H4 has opened. Okay, I find that it's good. Let's see. H4 has opened. Okay, well, it replying to who? MK, right? Okay, replying to MK. I'm actually waiting for this previous H4 candle to close below the wicks of the previous H4 candles. Okay, so if you can see here, all right, this area here. So once it closed below, okay, then it has a very good sign there. I think pretty good. So selling, I think there is still chance of selling there. Okay, it seems like selling pressure is still there. So I will still be looking out for some selling for the pound dollar. Okay, it's just that I want to look out when we are looking out for the selling for the pound dollar. Of course, we need to see where is the correct entry point. Okay, you may be thinking, okay, I can just enter selling right now since you are saying that it's going to sell off. Yep. However, you may take a roller coaster. You may take a roller coaster right before it sell off. Okay, so which is not a good one. Try to find out from the general of the reading, and then after that go into the details. Okay, go into the details to find out where is the sharpest entry. Okay, to find out where's the sharpest entry, then that will be the best. So that once you enter, it will go into the direction that you want to cushion your profit first. Okay, so that when how it fluctuates is still within your profitable area. Okay, yeah. So at the moment right now, okay, let's take a look at the pound dollar once again over at this point here. Looking at this 127, 197, I think looks like it's pretty potential. Okay, we have 11 pips to hit this area here. All right, to hit this 127, 197, which is our first obstacle. Okay, which is our first obstacle. Yep. Okay, so other than that, looks like we are also moving down smoothly. Okay, which is good. Yeah, which is good. Yes, let's see. Okay, we are still trying to take. Okay, we are still trying to take the area here, which is good. Okay, so let's see. Go into details, which is M5. I'm looking to M5 now. All right, M5 over this area here, this point here. Okay, now currently, okay, yeah, looks like it's coming soon. Okay, right. Okay, coming in. Yep, driving in now. It's driving in now. Okay, yes. Yep. Okay. Where? Where is it? Oh. Okay. Okay. Sabrina was asking me, why don't you take the support here? Why don't you take this point as a support? Okay. Yeah. This point here, all right, I would say that this is not a support. However, it's still a point that it may come to form a support. Okay, it is still not a support yet, but it's waiting to form a support. Okay, if the price to come here and stop here to bounce back, okay, then you will then the support will form up. Okay, then you will see the support is formed up. Okay, yeah, that's I think you should know that, huh? Okay, yeah. Okay, and yeah, waiting, and let's see. I'm asking the obvious. Right, okay. Yeah. Yes. Well, let's see. Okay, we should be still looking into this area here. Yeah, moving a bit slow now. Let's wait. Be patient. Okay, just be patient. Right. It's okay. All right. I think in general. Okay, let's take a look in general. Okay, put it this way. This M5. Am I right? In general. Right. In general, the selling off from here, it has been reclaimed. Am I right? It has been reclaimed. So the selling after reclamation, the selling went off again. Am I right? Then after that, because of non-farm, it started push again to get this whole area. Okay, so you can see this whole area, correct? The reclamation here, correct? Then after that, the whole liquidity has been taken up during the non-farm, correct? All right, so now completed this area. Let's take a look. Maybe this area. How about this area? So will this area be taken out again? Well, can you see? So over here, taken out where it should be heading to right now. Where should it be heading to? We should be looking out for selling to take down, correct? Okay, but too far away, huh? Let's not talk about this, something that's too far away. From here to here, 110 pips. Okay, let's talk about things like within this 100 pips. Okay, within this 100 pips. Okay, there's a lot of obstacle. Am I right? There's a lot of obstacle here, okay, and here, right, and of course, yeah, here. Okay, so we are waiting for pound dollar to clear the obstacle bit by bit. So when we know that we are going to clear the obstacle bit by bit, that means to say we are going to plot out the area and trade within that area first. Once this zone has been cleared, then we look out for another zone. If this zone is cleared, then we go for another zone. And this is cleared, then we go for another zone. Okay. Some zones okay, have a big space, a very comfortable space, comfortable profits, pips. Then again, there are some which is very tight. So you can decide whether are you going in or not. Up to you. You get what I mean? Just for example, like just now earlier on the Euro Yen. Okay, Euro Yen, which I do this area here. This is a zone where this is the zone, the resistance up here to the zone of support here, which I do not want to trade. It's because from this area here has already set up the support. So from just now when we start reading here, we are already here. So we are very near to the support here, which this is the zone, which is a very tight zone. Okay, forget about it. Am I right? Forget about it. Then from there, you can see which are the another zone. Now it went into this zone. Okay, it went into this zone, and this zone, okay, give me a better space of profits. Yeah, so this is the zone that I will be taking now. Okay, all right. GUTP Bradley, congratulations, well done. Let's take a look. Okay, GU. All right, let's take a look. Pound dollar. Wow, well done, pound dollar. Okay, yeah, 12 pips. Yeah, good opening for the 2024. Congratulations, very good, very good. Well done, Bradley. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so okay, and then are we going to take this 127.197? Okay, let's see. We are going to take down this 127.197. Okay, then this is the zone. Okay, then I'm going to wait for the zone to clear, and then after that another zone here. Okay, Alan, GUTP 10 pips. Congratulations, well done. Very good, very good. Okay, still holding my GU selling. Very good. Okay, well done. But take note of 127.197. Okay, Merry Christmas. What is the targeted price for your profits? Okay, let's take a look. Okay. Okay. Yep. All right. $193. 193. Okay. 193. Okay, so 193. All right, so should be around here, huh? Okay, 193. All right, so it's around here. So slightly above my targeted. Okay. Okay. So let's see if this is touching here. Okay, Khatib, GUTP, well done, good job. Okay, very good, well done. Okay, so guys, you know how you get your TP from the GU? Okay, you must know, okay? Your birthday trip for me, GU. Then every day will be my birthday, huh? Every day shall be my birthday, okay? Okay, GU. Just now we are waiting for GU. Okay, once it breaks below this area here, we are waiting for the resistance to form within this area. So within this area, from here to here, we are about 20 pips. And now, when it breaks below, it started to move up. Correct? It forms one just now. Okay, one round. You can come back here to form up the resistance here. Okay, tested, and it's not breaking to form another selling here. So over at this point here, you can say that this is something like a double top within this zone. That's okay, but this is not a double top, huh? Okay, it shouldn't be a double top when it comes this way. Okay, generally when you don't read this as a double top. Okay, so over at this point, it just show that the resistance take effect. So we are selling off from the resistance. Okay, so Wasim, if you're still there, just now you are selling from here. Let's say if the price is going to go up and break out of this, okay, and form a support up. That means green candle surfacing up above this resistance level. That will be the stop area. Okay, that will be the stop area. Okay, yeah, and of course, like I said earlier on, you can also use ATR. Okay, you can use ATR to determine your stop as well. There are plenty of ways to do a stop, to create a stop. But for me, when I put a stop, okay, it will largely depends on where did I enter and how do I enter a trade. Okay, so when I enter a trade for selling, when it comes with a resistance, then my stop will be where it breaks the resistance to form a support. So the resistance unable to hold anymore. Okay, right, when it cannot hold anymore, okay, let's let it go. You get what I mean? So that's the basic concept of that. All right, okay, so yeah, so let's see if this is going to continue, because if this resistance is there, okay, we move down, this has broke and move further down to form this resistance again, correct? So then we will take a look at this level, okay, this level of resistance. Sorry. Okay, just a little bit downwards. Then again, all right, there will be let's see, sorry, what am I talking about? Okay, yeah, no, what I'm trying to say is that, okay, over here, okay, the resistance earlier on is slightly above, correct, slightly above. Now it has moved down a little bit. Okay, so let's say if this is going to push through, it breaks below here. Can you see? Let's say it breaks below 121.197. All right, then it's going to form another round of this resistance below into this area. Our resistance is going to move down because of this area here. Okay, it's because of this area here. Right, so we can see that it's quite clear, correct? Okay, this area, okay, this whole area seems like it's going to create a support. But if this is the first obstacle we are talking about, am I right? Okay, so if this breaks and to form another resistance, the resistance will come below. Okay, right, so then we will wait for another round of the resistance again. Then this is the area. Then this shall be the area. Okay, so first of all, here we have very nice liquidity down here to be taken out, about 19 pips. Okay, 19 pips. It's an area. 19 pips is an area, depending on where did you enter and left. Let's say if you're entering around this area, then probably you are left with about this area. If you're entering this area, you're left with about 13 pips. Then probably you have to take only 10. Okay, yep, all right, yeah, so that's one. Yes, and also wait for it to clear out some mess here before it actually continue. Okay, let's wait for it to clear out some mess. Right, okay, there's some mess here. It's messy. It's coming near to a support. So usually when it comes near to a support, you will get rejected up. Okay, so this is let's say this is the burning ground. Okay, I always use this burning flame, am I right? So the fire burns up, heat goes up. So when your butt actually comes near to the fire, to the flame, you can feel the heat and you can jump. Am I right? Okay, so right, so you can get some retracement. Okay, when they feel that I'm going to fight again, okay, they will come back again. So this may be the whole area of resistance now. Okay, so that is one. Okay. Yeah, okay, right, okay. So do you like my description? Merry Christmas. Okay, just a joke, just a joke. Okay, right. And well, let's see if we are. So let's see if we are going. If this is going to form down another resistance or another resistance area here, or it will continue the selling off. Okay, a bit slow now, right? It's really a bit slow. Yeah, so slow. Generally, I see the selling is there. Okay, right. Okay. Well, what? What is that? ELL again. What is ELL again? I don't know what is that. Okay, nowadays have a lot of short forms. Okay. Just like what? NTY. You know the meaning of NTY? NTY means no thank you. Oh, I was like, huh? How come there's so many new jargon? Okay. So what's the meaning of ELL? Okay, so yeah, I'm waiting. Okay. Okay, right. Typo lah. Sell though. Okay, sell again. I see. So Carol, what is KMN again? KMN. You know, in the KMN. Yeah. Okay. Right. And well, let's see. What is KMN? Caro, I'm waiting for pound dollar to achieve 127.197 so that Merry Christmas can get her TP. Kill me now. Merry Christmas, no KNN. I also know KNN. Kill me now. Okay. KMN. You know what, Caro? Okay. Over in Singapore, we have KNN. Okay. KNN. Okay. Yeah, it's an expressive words to express something like some, should I say? This one I know. AFK I know. Away from keyboard. Yeah. KNN, KNS, yeah, okay. Yeah, KNN is like an expressive dialects. Okay, yeah, that is a native. Okay. AFK is away from keyboard. Okay. Okay. I have one TTG. Do you know what is TTG? Like FU. KNN is like FU. Okay. Yeah. KNN is something like FU. Okay. It's an expressive words. FU. KNS is something like it's also expressive words. Okay. Okay. Yeah. All right. And pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, looks like we are getting near to the support. It's actually moving backwards again to get some support. Get some resistance, not support. Okay. However, generally, for now, I still see a good chance. Yeah, I still see there's a good chance for the pound dollar to continue the selling, huh? Alright. Okay. Yeah. Okay, you know what is TTG? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Nothing big, nothing big. It's for me. It's for me. Okay, it's for me. Time to go. Okay. Yeah. Time to go, time to go. Yeah. Time to go, talk to girl. Popcorn. Hi, Happy New Year, Popcorn. Happy New Year. You finally appear. When you talk about girls, Popcorn will appear. Okay. Yeah, barley soup is the best, huh? New knowledge. Happy New Year. Yeah. Yeah, you are late. I think New Year, new resolution. I think Popcorn is hiding somewhere to achieve new goals in 2024. Yeah, barley soup is the best. Yes. I was having barley soup every day and night during the month of December. I was like, so each flight, you know, which each turnover, I was like, heading over the passport. Please have your seatbelt on. I don't even need you to tell me to have your seatbelt on. I just clip it on and was. Okay. Yeah, we have another 5 minutes to go. Alright, so I will be back again tomorrow. Okay, when London markets open. Alright. Yeah, I try to make it as early as possible. Yeah. So for pound dollar, we are so near to 127, 197. Okay. Yeah. Caro, TP 10 pips on your go again. Wow, that's very good. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Oh, yes, nice. We are achieving 2038 is coming very soon. Okay. Yep. Oh, it hits into the box here. Okay. Buying. Yes. Yes, Caro went for the buying. Okay. So easy, right? I think, yeah. Okay. You missed out. Okay, so hang on for a little while. Okay, wait. Okay, there's another round. Well, 2038 is 1 point, and we are still looking out for 2040 as well. 2040 as well. Congratulations, Alan. Go TP 10 pips. I believe it's a buy again. Okay, so nice catch. I think. Okay, good catch. Yep, well done. Right. Okay. Well, let's come back. I think for the goal wise, just now we were talking about this goal. Okay, so there's the liquidity is sitting on 2038 to 2040. Okay, so the goal is actually sitting at 2040 and 2038. So over at this point here, within this range, so there may be still some good chance that it may still be moving to take all this. Okay, So take the then I guess that's also one good point there. Okay, yeah, good buy, Alan. So there may be still some chance. Let's wait for another round of support to set up. Okay, for example, like this is setting up the support to go for the 10. I think are pretty good. So this may be flowing down back again. I think 1, 2. The 2035 81 2035 81. Okay, this may be an area to set up the support to go again. Okay, this may be still be setting up the support to go again for the buying to get 2040. Okay, that's my 2 cents count. Okay, for the goal, right? So once again over here 2035 81 83, sorry, 20, correct, 2035 80. Okay, around there. Okay, once it comes to this area 2035 80, 80 plus 2035 8 something, then if this is going to set up the support, I think it will still continue to go to take 2040 2038 to 2040 because the liquidity is sitting down there. Okay, well, for the pound dollar is now moving backwards to test on the resistance. Okay, now it's moving to take the resistance. Okay, so that's one of the reasons why I'm trading the zone here. Okay, I'm trading the zone, take the profit before the zone here. Okay, so let's see if this we are now testing on the resistance. Let's see if the resistance able to hold. If this able to hold, then I think the selling comes back again. We have another round of 16 to 17 pips. The space is 16 to 17 pips. It doesn't mean you take 16 to 17 pips. Okay, unless you are not setting any TP. If it's going past through to break below to form another resistance below, you can continue to hold a trade. Okay, you can continue to hold the selling trade for this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this is one. Okay, this is the one. Okay, this is one of the zone, and to form for a resistance. Okay, so take note of this area first. Right. So that should be all for now. But do remember, this is the new H4 opening. Okay, this new H4 opening, like I say, right. The next H4, okay, the next H4 opening, okay, it will be a good time to trade. The next H4, which will be the last 3 hours of the London market. All right. Okay. Yes, Alan. Yeah, got to go. Haha. GTG. Okay, for me, TTG. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for today. Okay, thank you so much for today, and I shall see you tomorrow once again. Okay, then let's see, and let's see if today is going to continue the selling off down to take all the way down to 126.94.7. Okay, all right. Okay, so yep, I think this is that is good. Okay, Wasim, just now I have been calling you, so I hope you heard my message. Huh? Okay, all right. Okay, so yep, that should be all for now. Okay, so I shall see you guys tomorrow. All right. So good to be back here again. Yes, me too. Okay. Right. Thank you very much, and see you guys. Right. So this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. See you again.